folks, and in this week's video I've got something very exciting to go on my Ford Fiesta. We've got something a wee bit special in this box. Well, it's a set of sweeping indicators for the wing mirrors. So from standard, they're just clear indicators and they just blink like that, like a wee dot. But the ones that we've got today are blacked out, which is very cool and hip, and they sweep like that, very fancy. You'll probably have seen them before on this car or other cars, but they're very cool, I think. So I've finally purchased a set and we're going to go and fit them. So let's go and do it. So we're back home, and if you take a look here, this is what the normal indicator is like. It's just a wee tiny orange bulb and it's just a wee clear light all the way along. No, the best, to be honest. So in here we've got some really interesting stuff, so let's take a look at the kit. So what's included in the box? We have a wee trim tool here, which is actually really helpful, hopefully anyway, to pop the mirror cover right off without damaging the paint. So we've got that. And what have we got here? A Michael Jackson glove. Look at this. So we've got a glove, and then we've got the actual indicators themselves. So these are actually really cool. They're obviously blacked out right the way along, and then look at the back of them. They're actually really well built, hopefully anyway. But the back of them, so this should just plug into where the normal bulb goes into, and then it's just a wee T10 Torx, I think it is, that goes in there, and then we pop the mirror cover back on and it works. So let's get these on. So first job on the agenda is to get the mirror caps off. So we've got this handy trim tool in the kit, and right here you can see the plastic has quite a bit of movement in it under there. You don't really want to go along the actual indicator itself, but you should be able to get in behind here and pop the clips off. There's one back here, a bigger one, and then I think there's 3 along the front. So there's one, and we're hoping not to snap any while doing this job. Good trim tool. Okay, there we have these ones off, and then it should just be that one that's round the back that's still on. And then we bring it round like that, and that's it off. None of the clips snap, so there's actually 2 there and then 1 there. Aye, that's the mirror cap off, and then in here, just down there, you can see that tiny wee Torx screw there, and that should pull out, and then we've just got to disconnect the bulb from the indicator. So I was just about to go to the garage, but in the kit, look at that, the perfect Torx. Hopefully it's the right size, but we'll test this out in here, and it's the right size. So we'll get this unscrewed, and then that should be it. Just disconnect the bulb after that. Yep, there we go. So that's the wee Torx there. That's what you're looking for, wee tiny one, and then twist and pull, and the bulb comes out. And then what you actually need to do to fit the new ones is actually take the original bulb out, and your new ones will plug into where the bulb goes. So keep the bulb just in case you want to refit them at some point to sell it back to the dealer, and then let's get the new one on. So here we have it, the new indicator. Let's get the satisfying peel. Bet you that sounds lovely. But there we go, all blacked out, stealth, awesome. Right, but here's the wee plug bit here. That should just plug into right where the old bulb went, and then we've just got the wee mount for the Torx bit. So let's do it. Connects in like this. So in here, into where the old bulb goes, as simple as that. Then we're going to slot it in there, and then push it down a bit, and that's it. And then we just want to get a wee screw, a wee Torx like that, and then it's got a bit of fluff on it, nice. And then put it down in here. Okay, so that's the wee Torx in. Obviously we've still got a wee bit of movement, but the mirror cap has to go on, so let's get that. So mirror cap in hand, we want to come round here first, get that big clip in, while pushing down sort of here. I'm sort of getting it. Right, we're back on with the mirror cap. Solid. Let's test that out. Moment of truth. Let's see if these work. Oh yeah, look at that. That's actually quite cool. And I've not put the mirror cap on right, so that's good. I'll need to fix that. We'll fix that gap, but they actually work. And then if you come round to this side, that's what they were like before. That side, nice. So that's one fitted, and I've fitted the actual mirror cap there. It's all nice. The gap's perfect, and they work fine. So let's do the other side. So we're on to the passenger side now. We'll get this trim tool under there again. There we go. You just want to sort of slide it along. It's quite scary because it sounds like you're breaking it, but it's just plastic to plastic, so yeah. And then sort of pull it round the inside to get that clip there. So we're off again, and then we just need the Torx again, and then we'll get into that. And there we have it, the original indicator and the wee Torx. There we go. And then just twist and pull. Why is that not coming out? It's very solid, isn't it? There we go. And then take the original bulb out as well. And then that's where your new one's going to go. So we have the new fancy indicator. Then the wee plug there again. Just the same as the other side. Plug it into there where the old bulb went. Then clip it in like that. Well, it doesn't really clip in, it just slots in. And then put your wee Torx back in there. We'll get this in. So we have the new indicator Torxed and plugged in, but if you're ever looking for the paint code on your car, sometimes if you pop off the mirror cover, it actually tells you the paint code and colour name behind the mirror cover. So we'll get this slotted back in, but just a wee fun fact. But so we're coming in here. Make sure to bring this down because I never done that on the driver's side and it went a bit weird and I had to redo it. So put that in there and then bring it round. That side? Yes, both working. Now let's get a wee up close video of them looking cool. So unfortunately that brings us to the end of this week's video. I hope it did help if you're trying to fit sequential indicators to your Fiesta or you just enjoyed the video. So thank you very much for watching. And while editing this video we actually hit 2,000 subscribers on the channel, so thank you so much for that. I still can't believe it. But I'll actually be doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway, so there will probably be more information in next week's video, so stay tuned for that. But please like this video, comment down below or subscribe to the channel if you're new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.